Hi beauty, shout out to Sexy Smooth Wax for providing me with these bags of Purple Seduction hard wax for hair removal. The wax itself took about 10 minutes to melt, and when I tell you it's giving drip and gorgeous, yes ma'am. I did pre-cleanse and go ahead and add some baby powder to remove any oil that I had in the treated area. I finally laid the script, and when I tell y'all it's giving sexy and smooth, literally sexy and smooth beauty. I did do 3 scripts in total. I did a inner, a outer, and a cleanup. Then I tapped to make sure the wax is still tacky and warm. I followed up with a deep breath because if you know, you know. And when I tell y'all the wax literally did its waxing, the hair literally came off as swallowable. Shout out to myself because this is my first hair removal on myself, and I'm so proud. Y'all seen it before, and now y'all get to see the after. This is amazing. I'm feeling sexy and smooth. Beauty, yes ma'am. Thank you, Sexy Smooth Wax, and thank you, beauties, for